We have our triangle here. We have to find angle A, angle B, and line A. First, we are going to find line A. So we start with 5 plus A squared equals 19 squared. Then we expand to 25 plus A squared equals 361. Then we simplify, bring the 25 across, and then it is A squared equals 336. Then we use the square root of 336, and then we get A equals 18.33. Number 2 is to find the angle of A. So we get the cosine of A equals 5 over 19. Then we isolate A, and it's A equals the cosine of 5 over 19, which then leads to A equals 74.74 degrees. So that is angle A over here. Number 3, we're going to find angle B. To do that, we know that we have to do angle A plus angle B plus 90 degrees because 90 degrees is angle C. And all that adds up to 180 degrees. So then we know angle A is 74.74 degrees. So we put that in for angle A plus angle B plus 90 degrees. We can then figure out that B equals 15.26 degrees because we have all the other letters filled out. Thanks.